welcome to my YouTube channel. I have here guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo. I have here a new Saladmaster stainless kettle. So this is 2 weeks ago, but I don't have time. So this one I wanna unbox this one. I wanna show you this my new electric kettle. So because I want to use this one for now, so I need to open this. Okay, this is from, so here we go guys. Is a Saladmaster. So we will see inside for this box. So there is very good guys. This is healthy because it's a stainless steel. It's not a plastic. So I want to show you here my new Saladmaster Whistling tea kettle. Here. I have here inside, and there's still more. It's hard to take out. So here we go. Oh, this is a stainless steel kettle. It's constructed with 316 Ti. So it is good and it's healthy in our body because this is stainless. Yes, here. That's very nice. This one is automatic shut off when it's done. So this is very safe guys in our health because this is stainless. This is stabilized with titanium materials. It's non-reactive for the acid and enzyme. So here, this is the one that we put. This is a wire. See? So I'm happy to have this one so that I can use this for now. I can start to use this to boil for my tea. So it helps for our health. This is very healthy because this one is a steel. So this one like that, you're gonna put in here. See guys, there is an off and on here, off and on. See? So, and it's too far for me. So that's it. And see? And inside here, very good. This one guys, you can see. You can see it's so very good product. This one is a new Saladmaster Whistling kettle. So here you just put on you just plug it in here, so I can make, you know, I can boil my drinking water here. So for my water, so this is safe. So I gonna boil my my drinking water here, and I put on the fridge. And at the same time, I gonna do my tea. I gonna do my tea. So you know, it's very. I don't know where is the. I'm looking. Oh, there is a instruction here. There is a guide, and here. So I can read all about this one. Everything is here. Yeah, everything is here. So this is the one that I want to share for you. If you have this stainless, so that is very healthy in our health. Then compare, I have a plastic one. So plastic one is not good. So I prepare this one. You know, I know it's more expensive, but when we talk about our health, we don't mind it. So yeah, this is it. I'm so happy to have this one. I have this new kettle, and then I can start boil now my drinking water, and I can do my tea. So I hope you like this video, and this is very good product, guys. So thank you so much for watching. So I hope you like it, and I can share with you. So what's the good things of this product. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.